Hey, what's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, welcome back. On this channel, I show how to use pellet smokers, flat top griddles, charcoal grills, and everything in between. I've got big plans for this channel, incorporating more types of cookers, more types of grills and smokers and everything else. Appetizers, entrees, desserts, all sorts of stuff. We're gonna get into things that maybe are new to me and are probably new to a lot of you along the way. So I welcome you to become a subscriber to my channel and to hit the notification bell. That way you can be part of this journey that we're all on, learning how to make better barbecue and having fun. And that's sort of what you can expect on my channel. You can expect good information on how to get done what you want to get done on your pit or your flat top or your grill. A little bit of comedy and good humor along the way, because that's just how I roll. And then also you can expect to become part of a fellowship of people that are like-minded, that we're all here doing the same things. We like to swap ideas. I love seeing it when my subscribers start up conversations in the comments and start bouncing ideas off of one another. That way I can jump in, throw in my 2 cents as well, and maybe learn a thing or two from you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have any questions or anything like that, make sure to let me know. Also, if you're not sure what this channel is about, click on some of the videos and see what you think. I sure do appreciate every single one of you that are checking out this video today, and we'll see y'all in the next video.